For the problems on limits of visibility, we need to find this angle theta. So you know theta can be found by cos inverse of AGSO by AE, since this angle that is made is a 90 degree. Since we know the value of AE and AGSO, we know AGSO is 42,164 and AE is 6,378 fixed values. So the value of theta is nothing but cos inverse of this. We get around 81.3 degrees. So what it means is, for an angle of plus or minus 81.3 degree, the Earth station can see the satellite. So let S be the angle subtended at the satellite when the angle sigma is equal to sigma min, that is equal to 90 degree plus EL min. Okay. So coming to the diagram, we are considering this sigma to be equal to sigma minimum and EL as EL minimum, S as the angle at the satellite. So the angle small b, can be found as 180 degree minus sigma minimum minus S, because we know sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So small b is 180 minus sigma min minus S. But we know the value of small b, that is cos inverse of cos b cos lambda e. Okay, taking it the other side, we get b is equal to cos inverse of cos b by cos lambda e. Once we get capital B, we can also find phi e and phi ss. Hence we will be able to find small b, capital B. If we find capital B, we can always find out phi e and phi ss, and we can also find out capital S, which will determine the limit of visibility. That means to what extent the satellite is visible to the Earth station. So this is the problem. Determine the limits of visibility for an Earth station situated at mean sea level at latitude 48.42 degree north, longitude 89.26 degrees west. Assume minimum angle of elevation of 5 degrees. So usually if it is not mentioned in the problem, EL min should be ideally taken as, that is the small level of elevation that we have, we consider it to be 5 degrees by default if it is not mentioned in the problem. So the given data for the problem is as follows. The latitude is mentioned to be 48.42 degrees. That means lambda E is equal to 48.42 degree north. And the longitude is 89.26 degree west. We know the longitude will be a negative value if it is towards the west. And the longitude that we are considering here is what? It is nothing but your phi e. That is for your Earth station. Longitude of the Earth station, it is mentioned to be 89.26 degree west. That means it is minus 89.26 degree. Okay. EL min, minimum elevation, is mentioned to be 5 degree. So this is all is the given data. As usual for all the problems, use AGSO is equal to 42,164 kilometers and capital R value is 6,371 kilometers. We know, as per the previous equations, sigma min is equal to 90 degree plus EL min. What all should we find out? First, let us find the value of S. Okay, S is nothing but sine inverse R by AGSO sine of sigma. So substitute the values. This is nothing but sine inverse of R value is 6371 divided by 42,164. Sine of sigma min is nothing but, what do we get? 90 plus 5 degree, that is 95 degree. Sine 95 degree. Solve this, you will get 8.66 degree. We know small b from the previous diagram. We know that small b is given by 180 minus angle S and angle sigma. So that is nothing but 180 minus 95 degree by virtue of sum of the angles of a triangle property, minus 8.66 degree. You will be getting 76.34 degree. So you got your angle small b. Once you have small b, you can find out capital B. This is nothing but cos inverse of cos small b by cos lambda e. So this is given by cos inverse of cos 76.34 degree by cos 48.42 degree. Lambda e value is given in the problem, that is 48.42 degree. B value we found out, so substitute that and we can get the value of capital B. I always told you even in the theory that this angle B is important for most of the problems. The angle subtended by phi E and phi S is at the North Pole. Okay. So the satellite limit, how do we find? We know B is equal to phi E minus phi SS. So when we want to find out phi SS, okay, the satellite limit both towards east and towards west. We know for east it is positive, west it is negative. We know phi SS is equal to phi E minus B if we take it to the other side. So this we will get it as minus 158 degree roughly. Okay, it's approximated value around 158.3 something you will get. Okay, similarly this is for phi SS west, phi E minus B. So if you want to find it out for east, it is phi E plus B. So what will it be? Minus 89. So it is 89.26 plus 69.15 degree, roughly that is 20 degree. So I'll just recap this last part. Capital B we know is cos inverse of cos B by cos lambda E. So we substitute and find out the value of capital B. If we know capital B, we can easily find out phi SS. For the east it is phi E plus B. For the west it is phi SS. Phi SS west is phi E minus B. We got phi E and B value we know. So we substitute it here and we get minus 158 degree. For the west we get around 20 degree.